Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Schneider. Welcome to topic 13 in Envisions. Today we're going to be doing 13-1, which would be, actually the whole topic is measurement. And today we're going to be talking about customary units of measurement in length. All right, so let's get started. So our objective today is that at the end of the lesson, you will be able to find equivalence in customary units of length. It sounds kind of hard, but it really isn't. Length means how long something is or how far something is apart from each other. And customary just means a unit of measurement that we're already used to. We're already used to customary units of length, which would be, for example, inches, feet, yards, miles. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So our solve and share is Jeremy jogged 75 yards from his house to school. How many feet did Jeremy jog? Well, this would be pretty impossible if you didn't know how many feet were in 1 yard. So I have a little cheat sheet over here, a little bubble, and it tells me 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet, which also equals 36 inches. And 1 mile equals 1,760 yards and 5,280 feet. Alrighty, so we need to know, we have yards, 75 yards, and we need to know how many feet that is. So we're going to use this one. So if 1 yard is 3 feet, how many would 75 be? So I'm just going to start a little chart with you to show you and see if you can pick up on what kind of operation this is going to be. So if 1 yard equals 3 feet, then what would 2 yards be? Okay, so 1 yard equals 3 feet. What would 2 yards be? If you said 6 feet, that would be correct. So how I figured that out was I took 2 yards and I multiplied by 3 feet to get my 6. So if we were to do 3 yards, how many feet would that be? So imagine, I'm going to put it in orange here so you could see. Whatever the yards is, you're going to multiply by 3 to get that. So we would do 3 times 3 yards equals 9 feet. All right, so following this formula, we're going to figure out how many feet 75 yards are. So it'd be 75 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1, 22. So if Jeremy jogged 75 yards, how many feet is that? That is 225 feet. Alrighty, I have some practice problems on our next board. Okay, so 2 miles equals how many yards? Well, I'm going to look back at my board and I'm going to tell you that 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. So what does 2 equal? So we need to multiply 2 times this to see. So we have 1,760 times 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12, put the 2. Alrighty everyone, sorry about that storage issue. Okay, so let's start this one again. So we're going to do 1,760 times 2. All right, 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12, put the 2 down, put the 1 up. 2 times 7, 14, plus 1 is 15, put the 1 up. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So 2 miles equals 3,520 yards. All right, let's do our next one. 4 yards equals how many feet? Well, 1 yard, if you remember from our solve and share, 1 yard equals 3 feet, which means we'd have to take our 4, remember, because 1 you have to multiply times 3 equals 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12 feet. And now 6 feet equals how many inches? Well, 1 foot equals 12 inches. So we're going to take 6 times 12. We can rewrite it over here. Although I know everyone knows their 12 times tables because we really spent a long time practicing on that this year. But we'll do it just for fun. 6 times 2 is 12. Put the 1 up. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 6 feet equals 72 inches. You are going to continue this lesson on IXL Math, and we'll see you tomorrow for more converting customary units of length. Alrighty, everyone, have a great day. Bye.